Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the more than one account with that phone number issue on Twitter. So to fix that, you gotta consider a few things. First, did you register multiple accounts with that phone number? So if you log out of Twitter, try to sign in with a phone number, it will actually give you this email. And the reason is you probably sign in with multiple accounts under the same number. Another issue that you can have is actually your mobile operator gave you a phone number, and chances are this phone number actually belonged to someone else before it belonged to you. If that's the case, maybe that person actually registered the Twitter account under your name, so you want to contact him and check how that goes. In this situation, you can just sign in with an email. So yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a like, comment if you have any questions down below, and subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one.